Although the Richard Harris Law Firm has some extremely experienced trial lawyers, they say they'll use all their resources and do all they can to get your case settled before it heads to court.
Being a trial lawyer is a tremendous honor, and I'm very grateful to be a trial lawyer.
But Richard Harris says the name trial lawyer is a bit misleading.
A trial lawyer is not just a lawyer who goes to trial. The last place that you want to be if you're a client, an injured victim of a serious accident, is in trial. Because if you're in trial, you lose control. It's not up to your lawyer whether you win or lose the case. It's really up to those 8 or 12 members of the jury who you don't know, who have your entire fate in their hands.
And the goal is to not try the case. The goal is to settle the case and get the most value out of it before trial.
And this team knows to be a successful trial lawyer, you need to be an experienced negotiator.
Negotiation is actually the most important part of the trial preparation process. A good lawyer is able to read the tea leaves and to be able to understand the dynamics of the situation.
And Richard Harris has proven time and time again that he can negotiate with the best of them.
Well, I've had the great fortune to have been involved in some of Nevada's largest personal injury settlements. I have personally negotiated cases up to $15 million.
But trial lawyers at the Richard Harris Law Firm are quick to point out that there's never a guarantee of a multi-million-dollar settlement, and they make sure their clients know that as well.
It's not doing your client a service to tell them that every time that we're going to guarantee a victory. We certainly don't do that. But what we do is give them, we set reasonable expectations that will allow them to understand where we have to go, the things we have to do in order to make the case successful. And I think our clients appreciate that in the end.
Over the years, Richard Harris says some insurance companies have used propaganda to give trial lawyers a bad name. However, Harris wears his trial lawyer title like a badge of honor and courage, and he believes trial lawyers have increased the level of safety for everyone by exposing unsafe practices.
Even though the legislature and the government and corporate America has turned a blind eye to certain unsafe practices, it's been the trial lawyer who has challenged those practices and made the country and the world a safer place to live.
Reporting for the EXP News Network in Las Vegas, Nevada, I'm Josh Talkington.